Good morning, guys. How you guys doing? Welcome to the channel. My name is Abby, and I heartily welcome you to the Caribbean and to my container garden here in Trinidad and Tobago. This morning, it is bright, not a cloud in the sky, so you know what that means. It's going to be a hot day, and I am tired fighting up, trying to keep these chickens alive. All night, I was brainstorming what can I use to help me buffer this heat. So what I did is I got me some reflective sheathing that they use in roofing. It was relatively inexpensive, for $14 a foot, Trinidad dollars. I am gonna try this out. It's better than nothing. Tools are a yard steader or homesteader's best friend. Some things you just can't skimp out on, and tools and materials that make your life easier, it's worth it. So I'm going to put this reflective sheathing up into the roof of this side. My philosophy is if I'm going to continue doing this, it is a worthwhile investment. So I'm going to put this up and see if it makes a striking difference to the temperatures that are in here. It is right now 20 past 8 and I am sweating. It is hot. So I'm going to try and bring some relief to these birds because I have the tower fan running in here, trying to ventilate in here, even more trying to push the heat out. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take the cardboard out of the ceiling and I'm going to put in this reflective sheathing and see if it makes a difference with the temperatures in here. Trying to move gingerly. I don't scare them too much. So this sheathing is about 4 feet wide and this coop is about 8 by 6 feet wide, I think. So anyway, I bought me 2 pieces of 10 foot of this. So I think that should be more than enough. What I'm hoping to do is have a little overhang where I have this black cloth. If I can have a little bit of an overhang so that I can take down that cloth from there. So let's see how that goes. All right, I need to go. Sorry, baby. Sorry, sweet love. I'm going to be disturbing your peace. Only for a moment. Okay, we can roll this up. Roll this up. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So come under here. You see how it feels? Go put it in the black cloth. Big thing, what's it? Oh, okay. I know, we should. Yeah, let's just stay up. Wow, I could tell you right away it's a big difference to the black cloth. The black cloth was giving off a heat as well. So it's a big difference using this reflective heat reflector. It's a big difference here. So it should help me out a lot today with this heat, and it should help out the birds as well. Should help them out. The breeze coming from the tower fan. Um, yeah, it should help out the situation. So guys, that's just a little snippet of my morning, what I was tackling. I had enough of running up and down the stairs trying to keep them cool. I have many frozen bottles inside the freezer to try and create some kind of a cool air. But I think that this might be the better thing to do to reflect some of that heat up, keep that from coming down on them in the first place. So I keep you guys up to date. If you have a chicken coop and it's galvanized underneath as well, you can use this. This is what people use in their residential homes to reflect the heat, in the hot summer months, to keep the ceilings cooler so that when you're running your air conditioner you don't burn as much energy. So I'll keep you guys up to date as to how this spur of the moment experiment works out. uh, I have my heart is hoping, the biggest hope you could think about, that this works out to make my day easier, because this really cuts into my work time and my school time with my kids, my time, period. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Until we see each other in the next time, in the next video, take care and have a good week. Bye.